Hi everyone, this is Trendsetters Academy. So if you really want to learn more things about Trendsetters or how their developers are developing the applications and how they're creating some sort of web applications or server-side coding, everything about the development. So for this you must click on the subscribe button for this. I hope so. Let's come back to the lecture. Hi everyone, I'm Bilal and you're watching Trendsetters Academy. So today in this lecture I will tell you about firebase prediction, what really this prediction mode is and how this prediction is working. Basically it is a beta product here, so we'll see here what really this prediction is. So let's click on it and let's go and see how this prediction is working. It defines dynamic user groups based on predicted behavior. Okay, so there is a video available here which created by the Google, this Firebase, and this tells you all about prediction. So let's see about the things here. What really this prediction is: grow your app with Google machine learning. Firebase prediction uses the power of Google machine learning to create dynamic user groups based on users' predicted behavior. With predictions, you can make informed product decisions without needing to build an in-house data science team. So you can use this prediction for Android and iOS. So there's a module here. It will tell you about the thing. There boost revenue and retention through customized user experiences. Predictions is integrated with remote configuration, letting you customize user experience based on their predicted behavior. User groups update daily as an individual behavior changes and will learn more about your app, meaning that you can always offer a fresh, personalized experience to your user. So this is the thing here. How so send smarter notification like predictions creates user groups that can be used for targeting with notifications from the Firebase console. This helps you engage users before the churn reward users who are likely to make an app purchase and much more. And the next point here is it creates custom prediction. In addition to the default predictions will spend and will not spend, you can create custom predictions based on convergence events in your app and adjust your appetite for risk. Every prediction can be toggled between low, medium, and high risk tolerance. Higher risk tolerance means that while the user group will be larger, the probability that some of them will be false positive is also great. So there are some trusted growing apps like Halfbreak and Rockbite Games. So you can find out the case studies here. Okay, so what really this prediction is, let's go in detail about its documentation and we will see how this thing is working. In detailed description there we will see how this whole thing is going on. For these predictions applies machine learning to your analytics data to create dynamic users group based on your users predicted behavior. These predictions are automatically available for use with Firebase remote configuration, the notification composer, and alpha beta testing. When you use predictions with remote configuration, you can increase conversions by providing a custom experience based on each of your users' predicted behavior. You can use predictions with the notification composer to deliver the right message to the right user groups. And with alpha beta testing, you can evaluate the effectiveness of your prediction based strategies. So you can start it here. There are some key capabilities here, some key points like bring the power of Google's machine learning to your data, boost conversion through dynamic customized user experience, it increases the retention with smart notifications, create custom predictions. Okay, so how this thing is working, so what really this thing is and how this is working. Predictions are available for iOS and Android apps. That includes the analytic SDK, so you have to install the SDK for this. Predictions create dynamic group of users who are likely to complete a certain event over the next 7 days. So based on your graph, like if you like an image, or if you like some quant, or if you like some video, what it happened is it predicted on 7 days like this thing is right or this thing is wrong. This means like it's going towards upside, or it's like a graph going up or down. It's depend on the thing, like it predicts it on 7 days based. Okay, the calculations are based on 7 days. You can use these groups to target users with remote configuration and the notification composer. By default, predictions provide two types of predictions. Kern, which predict which user will disengage from your app over the next 7 days. Okay, and span, which predicts which user will spend money in your app over the next 7 days. You can also create your own prediction based on customer conversion analytics events that you collect in your app. Okay, predictions let you adjust the risk tolerance of a prediction so that you can strike the right balance between targeting favored users, targeting fewer users with more accuracy, and or more users with less accuracy, and it shows you what percentage of your user base will be targeted at each risk tolerance level. The machine learning model of your app improves as the amount of relevance of data collected using analytics increases and as your number of your users increases. In addition, the accuracy of a model for a specific user will improve further after that user has used the app for at least a few days. Predictions create groups of users called predicted users groups. You can send notification to the predicted users groups, or you can change the behavior of appearance of app instances used by predicted user group using remote configuration. So there are some other things here, like some key points of what is the path, how you add. So first you have to add analytics to your app and then enable the prediction, monitor prediction, and then it depends on you how you send your notifications and the other things there. Okay, so I hope you like this lecture, and what I'm saying here is just be with me and don't forget to subscribe and just go on with your things. Hope for the best. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Ta-da. Happy coding. Goodbye.